What up, everybody? Here we go with another unboxing video. Here we have the American Bass HD 1500. This is a 1500 watt monoblock amplifier. You see some of the ratings there. 100 dB signal to noise ratio, 200 dampening. Those are some pretty generous ratings there. This is pretty sweet. It's got a master slave connection. Comes with the remote bass knob. So you've got some upgradability if you decide that you want to start small and then upgrade your system. This is part of our deal of the week that we got going on right now. So I just want to do an unboxing video of this hardcore SPL amplifier designed in the USA. As you open it up here, you see that you've got a box in a box. Of course, I'm a little unprepared, so let me just grab a knife here and get this sucker open. And this is the new series. So they are featured in black as opposed to what you're seeing on the ads that we have out currently. So as you open it up, there you see it's not wrapped in some nice plastic. Again, it looks a lot like the competition VFL series amplifiers with the way it's designed. Just kind of pop this open there. Pop that open, and you're going to see here. You're not hit with an instruction manual right on the top, which is kind of odd. This one's got it underneath there, but this is how you're being greeted when you get the thing. Roughly about a 17 to 20 inch footprint on it. Roughly about 10 to 11 inches wide. About two and a quarter inches thick. You got your standard phone jack cable there for the bass knob. You got your bass knob boxed up here. Wish there was an easy way to get this open. Let's see. Maybe there it is. There we go. So yeah, just a standard bass knob here. Just got your power light. No clipping indicator on this little guy. But at least you got a bass knob for it so you can control it. On the input side, you've got what I would say true 4-gauge terminals on your ground and remote wire. And you've got your mono 8-gauge speaker with just your standard power and protect lights. Sorry for the blurriness. On the opposite side of the amplifier, you've got your inputs and outputs, your gain, subsonic filter, bass boost. There's your bass knob there for the remote low pass filter, and your output master slave that does require a single RCA jack that is actually not included with the amp. So you would have to buy that separately once you go hardcore and monoblock the amplifiers. On the instruction manual, you're going to see the 4 series of amplifiers offered in the HD series, the 1500 being the least amount of power, all the way up to the 3500, which I've had experience with, and that sucker does jam. And then their 4-channel full range amp. Pop it open, you get some more of the ratings here across the board between their product lineup. Some troubleshooting, how to hook it all up and all that good stuff. But yeah, for a nice little 1500 watt competition amplifier, she's pretty, man. Looking forward to how she performs in our deal of the week. We'll be back with you with more goodies to unbox here in the days to come. Thanks for checking out the HD 1500 from American Bass. See you next time.